Looking for something unique, fresh, and exciting? Pop into the Pearl to experience just that. This special spot sits right in the heart of downtown Ellensburg, and they're bringing fresh, fun, fine dining to anyone who wants a taste.
It was just delicious.
Quality of the food is very, very good.
Very, laid back, welcoming.
All kinds of thumbs up.
New things. Our cocktail menu is all scratch ingredients. Our food is all scratch ingredients. We try and do things that is not on anybody else's menu.
Owner Blake Collins wants every dish to be farm fresh, using Washington-grown ingredients throughout the menu.
We have a great relationship with the Washington State Beef Commission. I've gone on tours with them to look at cow-to-calf farms, all the way to feeding, all the way to processing. Yeah. And so we see the entire line, so that way we know exactly where we're getting our products from.
That's important.
Just better. Just absolutely better.
Very rustic, elegant.
One of those marvelously eclectic, tasty surprises.
We're going to be in Ellensburg at lunchtime. We're going to be at the Pearl.